how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, alright? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a curvature right here for the top, well, the headband really of Pomni. I still need a little bit of, there we go. Like this marker is kind of like drying out, so I'm going to go down here on this side. I'm going to make a line down here for Pomni's hair, down over here for Pomni's hair. I'm going to actually go into the eyeball right now. It's going to be just a direct circle. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to draw a circle. Like so. And then another circle inside of that. The most important thing here is to just kind of, you know, have fun. And you should be fine. Line down here, line down here, line down here, line down here. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve over here on this side. Line up, line up, line up. It's gonna be winking right there. Pomni's gonna be winking in this one. Line down for the inside of Pomni's hair. And then I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna curve right here to this side. Sweet. I'm gonna pull out right here, in, and line down. I'm gonna go over here, out over here, in, and line up. And I'm gonna fill this out. Alright, well, we're gonna fill this out as well. Kind of the darkness of Pomni's haircut. If you're a fan of Amazing Digital Circus, definitely hit a like, so I know who you are. Alright. Gonna go down over here now. Line outward there, up over here. It's kind of the middle hair right there, Pomni. There we go. We're gonna go over here, curve down. Go over here, smile right there. And we're gonna do the little circle for one cheek right there and circle for the other one. It's gonna have that rosy cheek look. Line over here, curve underneath, out, down right there for one side of Pomni's, you know, hat, and then the other side of Pomni's jester hat. Okay, gonna go over here, pull out over there, over here, pull out over there. Let's do over here, circle, circle, down, down, curve down, down over here, line over here, over there, curve over there for the kind of the collar of Pomni. Circle, circle for kind of the balls in the chest. Circle right here for kind of the ball of the shoulder there. Line down over here for the body, curve here for the other side of the shoulder. Square down. Line down over here. Square over here. Line down, line down. There we go. Right on. Downward, downward, downward. Right on. Gonna go over here, curve, curve, curve. Right here we're drawing kind of the design, right? The design pattern on Pomni's hat. Line over here. Take a second, by the way, go check out the cool stuff in the description. There's a free how to draw cute ebook. Basically, it's a 10 page document. It is basically the guide of like cute, right? Like how big to make the head to the body, because cute is in proportion. Maybe how big to make the eyes. It gives you choices. Let's say different hands you could use, different feet, and it tells you the different styles. Also tells you the difference between chibi and like just normal cute. And all that stuff is in it, and it's step by step. So check it out. You know, I mean, it's completely free right now, and it's not always going to be free. I'm going to start charging for it later. So pick it up while you can, and go check that out in the description. Okay. All right, let's go over here to the eye. And the eyeball, we can draw a line across over here, kind of like an X. Then another line through the middle, and a line over there. Line down, line down. Over here on this side, curve, curve. Curve right here. Line down, line down. Okay, let's put in some of the, we're almost done by the way, let's put in some of the finishing touches. So I would say right here, draw a thicker line around the outside edges. Right there. Curve over here. Line around there, and circle here, line over here, over here on this side, pulling down, line across, up, and down here. All right, pretty good. Now we have to check anything. If you want to add anything extra, maybe you can draw like, you know, you can fix the lines right here on the hat, right? If I kind of look at it as is. Yeah, maybe something like that. Just kind of looks like it merges the hair a little bit better. But what I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. It makes a huge world of difference if you do that. And yeah, we can talk later on, okay? And yeah, so I want to thank you very much though. Stay around because we're gonna start a new drawing lesson. All right, we're gonna start it right now. So let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.